Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my demonstration about my application called Organic Shop. This web application aims to display information about recipes to the customers. So basically, my home page consists of three categories. Each category has bunch of recipes. As you can see, we can navigate uh, to those categories and display the recipes that we have added previously by the admin of this page. So we can choose one of the recipe, and next page will show all the information regarding to this recipe. So basically it's the title of the recipe, the description. I have implemented a graphical user interface using Swedish language. We are interested here to display the nutrition values of the recipe. So basically this is like a nutrition information panel shipped with the packaging of the recipe. So this is monosaturated fatty acids, uh, poly polyunsaturated fatty acids, saturated fatty acids, protein, carbohydrates, salt, and energy. And we can see here the calculations for the whole recipe. Beside, I have implemented calculation for each ingredients included in this recipe, and we can determine how many persons that consume this recipe. For instance, we can choose 2 or 3 and whatever the same. So the calculations will updated according to the number of persons. I have used MongoDB as database. I have saved the ingredients. I've got a JSON file that has all the ingredients, and it's basically 2114 ingredients. Each ingredient has approximately list of 53 nutritions. But we are interested only in, as I mentioned earlier, in 7 ingredient nutritions. So in this case, all calculations occurred in my backend server. I have used Node.js as backend server. I have came up with a solution that we don't need all these nutritions. So I have just cleared the array of all nutritions and saved only the 7 nutritions that we are interested in, and calculate the nutritions values. So for front end, I have used Angular JS. We can see here also I have implemented pagination, and this is the section. This is section for users, for the customers. Beside, I have implemented admin portal to create the recipes. So this should be at another using another URL, but for the demonstration of the for the application, I have just implemented the admin with the same page. So admin must sign in to our application in order to create the recipes. So here, after uh, successfully logging into our application, admin can create recipes. So in this case, title must be provided, category of the recipe must be provided as well, and admin can add the instruction, can add the ingredients as well. So here I have implemented autocomplete to get the required nutrition ingredient from our database. Then we can determine the quantity and grams for each ingredient. Then we can upload the image for the recipe, or we can add link for that image, and that's it. Thanks for watching.